From 2 heated engineers to 10,000 5-star Trustpilot reviews.
Very easy, simple, and I've had no issues since.
iHeat started in 2019 because buying a boiler was slow, confusing and stressful for customers.
James and Stephen were heating engineers who saw this problem every day and knew it didn't have to be that way. They joined forces with Rick, a software developer, to create a new experience for buying a boiler online.
It all went really well, really easy, and they were here the next day.
By combining real engineer experience with smart technology, iHeat was created to put the customer first.
Spot on, came when they did, when they should have done. Very clean, very tidy.
iHeat communication was great, all around just very happy.
I've been really impressed by the customer service.
The engineer was quick, proficient, tidy. It was amazing.
Laid on a superb job.
Thank you, iHeat.
No pushy sales, no hidden costs, just clear pricing and quality installations booked in minutes. That's why customers started recommending iHeat.
10,000 5-star reviews isn't just a number, it's thousands of homes and thousands of customers who trust iHeat.
So to everyone who left the review, we truly thank you, because if customers and promises are kept, everything else follows.